In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Copilot from Windows 11. If Copilot isn't something you use or you simply want a cleaner, distraction-free setup, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it using the built-in Windows tools. I'll keep things straightforward and explain what you'll see along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, open the Windows Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That keyboard shortcut takes you straight into settings without hunting through menus. Give it a second to open and you'll land on the main settings home screen where all system options are organized by category. Next, head to the section where your installed applications live. On the left sidebar, click Apps. Then on the right, choose Installed Apps. This page lists nearly everything you've installed on your device, and it's the safest, most reliable place to remove programs. You can scroll through the list if you like, but using the search box at the top is quicker and helps avoid mistakes. Now let's locate Copilot. In the Installed Apps view, look for Microsoft Copilot. If you're not seeing it right away, type Copilot into the search field and it should appear. Make sure you've selected the entry labeled Microsoft Copilot, so you're uninstalling the correct app. By the way, quick note while we're here, if you ever decide you want Copilot back, I've placed the official Microsoft link you can use to download or access it at the very top of the description. It's there for easy access whenever you need it. With Microsoft Copilot located, it's time to remove it. To the right of its name, click the three dots, the little menu icon that looks like an ellipsis. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm the action. You might see a brief progress indicator while Windows cleans up the app in the background. Once it's done, Copilot will be removed from your installed apps list, and the entry should disappear when the page refreshes. If the listing briefly lingers, that's normal. It will clear once the apps list updates. That's all it takes. You opened Settings, went to Installed Apps, found Microsoft Copilot and uninstalled it with a quick confirmation. If you need Copilot in the future, remember the official link is waiting at the top of the description. If this walkthrough helped, consider sharing it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.